most munificent form of Godhead, Supreme Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in his own writing, he has taught all the human race, not for India, for all the human beings of this world, acting as a guru. Actually, he is Supreme Lord, he is Krishna, but the highest guru is Radharani. He has taken the form and mode of worship of Radharani and has become Gauranga Mahaprabhu. And he is giving his instruction to all human beings as Guru in 8 verses. Cheta darpana marjanam bhava mahadabagni nirvapanam shreyah kairava chandrika vitaranam vidyabudhu jivanam anandambudhi vardhanam Pratipadang Purnamrita Ashwadanam Sarvatma Snapanam Parang Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. By doing Sri Krishna Sankirtan, Radha Krishna Sankirtan Mahamantra, you can get all kinds of attainments, principle, 7 kinds of attainments. Here it is written. Everything you can get. And Namnamakari Bahuda Nija Sarva Shakti Tatrarpita Niyamita Smarana Kala Etadrishi Tava Kripa Bhagavan Mamapi Durdeva Midrisha Mihajoni Nanuraga. 3rd verse Trinadupi Shunichena Taroropi Shahishtuna Amanina Manadena Kirtaniya Sadahari. 4th verse Na dhanang na janang na sundaring kavitam va jagadisha kamay mama janmani janmanishare bhavatad bhaktir ahitukittai. 5th verse Oi nandatanuja kinkarang patitang mang vishame bhavam budho kripaya tava pada pankadasida dhulishadrishang vichintaya. And 6th verse Nayanang galadasrudharaya Badanang gadagadarudhagira Pulakirchitang Bapu Kadatava Namagrahani Bhavishati. 7th verse Jugaitang Nimeshena Chakshusha Prabhishaitam Shunnaitang Jagat Sarvang Govinda Virahirame. And the 8th verse, last verse Aslisha Padratang Pinashtuma Vadrashnat Marmahatang Karotuva Jathatatava Vidodhatu Lampata Matprananathus to Shaivanapar.